Welcome to the M35 POCO X6, and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's open the box first. Okay, this is the charger, the original charger brick, the Xiaomi one with all of the specifications. Here we got the USB Type-C cable. And let's check also this paper box. Here we could see the SIM eject tool, some paperwork like the quick start guide, safety information with the warranty card, and also the protective case, the silicone one in gray color. That's it. Thank you for watching. That's all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.